Hello, universe. Welcome to my channel once again. So, today we are discussing if we want to print multiple lines in our program. So, how can we do? Let's begin. First, you will write print command, parenthesis, and you will write triple quote one, two, three. And now you will write hello, how are you, universe? Then close. One, two, three. Okay, let's print. See how is it printing. Oh yes, you can see here. This is hello, how are. So once again, I will try to tell you. And so one, two, three. So that's empty. Hello, 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 multiverse. And one, two, three. Let's see. Is it printing or not again? Oh yes, this is first line is blank. Hello, 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 multiverse. So thank you. Keep watching.